Tom Waskowski and his dog Ming recently participated in an upland hunt test at Platte Valley Hunting Retriever Club near Fort Lupton, Colorado. The upland hunt test consists of the hunting dog performing a walk-up hunt scenario and 2 flushes of birds in the field while honoring another dog working in the same field. During the walk-up, the dog remains at heel until sent by handle to retrieve the downed bird to the handler's hand. During the hunting portion of the test, the dog has to hunt the field for pheasants remaining in gun range while flushing the bird to be shot. The dog has to remain steady after the flush and not interfere with the gunner's shot. If the bird is shot, on the handler's command, the dog must retrieve the bird and deliver to handler's hand. On this day, the judges determined Ming passed his test and was awarded a ribbon at the Platte Valley Hunting Retriever Club.